In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an integration between Google Sheets and GoHighLevel. This is going to be very easy and I'm going to show you the whole process. So watch along the video to learn everything. Okay, so the first thing you will need to do is go to your GoHighLevel agency view. So do not go to your sub-account view, but go to your agency view and then go to the App Marketplace. Once you're inside the App Marketplace, search for CRM Connector. This is CRM Connector. CRM Connector is an app inside of GoHighLevel that adds over 50 plus native integrations to GoHighLevel. So for making the integration between Google Sheets, download the CRM Connector app via the blue button. I've already installed it, but you just need to click the blue button and then the preferred sub-accounts you would like to integrate with Google Sheets. Okay, so once you have installed CRM Connector will pop up at the bottom left of your agency view. Here you can manage all your integrations and your sub-accounts, and you can also send an external onboarding link to your client. So this can be very useful. But now I'm going to show you what it looks like with making an integration with CRM Connector inside of a sub-account. Okay, so as you can see, currently I'm inside of a sub-account, and to this sub-account I have installed CRM Connector. CRM Connector popped up at the bottom left. So the only thing you will need to do is click CRM Connector. So as you can see, this is CRM Connector inside of a sub-account. So for making the integration with Google Sheets, just type out Google and select Google Sheets. They also have a Google Contacts and Google Calendar integration, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the integration with Google Sheets. So just click Google Sheets and click Continue. These are the tags and custom fields that are going to be applied to the contact data that's going to be synced from Google Sheets to your GoHighLevel sub-account. Okay, so for making the actual integration, just click Authenticate through Google Sheets. This is going to bring you to an authentication page. Yeah, just the usual authenticating of Google. So just follow the authentication process. So as you can see, my connection is currently successful. And then the next thing we need to do is select a spreadsheet ID. To find your spreadsheet ID, just go to your Google Sheets URL. And as you can see in the instruction here, the link is docs.google.com/spreadsheet/d/id/edit. So you need to copy and paste your ID. So when I go to this spreadsheet, so just copy and paste this and go back to the integration and copy and paste it right here. Then the following thing that you need to do is download the template. So I've just downloaded the template. Then go back to your spreadsheet that you would like to integrate with the sub-account. Then just import the template. So right now I'm uploading the template to the Google Spreadsheets. And basically this is a format of how the integration will work. So as you can see, this is the template. You or your client can fill out their email, their phone, a name and a service date. And you can also add custom fields. So you can fill out whatever you want in this column, and then it will also get transferred to GoHighLevel. Every time a new row is filled out, it will get synced to GoHighLevel. So that's fully automatically. So when you add something on this line, it will get synced to GoHighLevel, and that's how the whole integration works. So I filled everything out and I'm going to click Continue. And here you can select a date configuration. For now this doesn't matter a lot, but you can basically choose from how far back you would like to receive data. So I'm just going to select for the past 6 months. Okay, so you're going to import contact data and then just click Continue. I'm going to select contacts with a completed service, but you can also fill out or check the other boxes. There is more information during the whole integration process. So if you have any questions, just read those or send me a message. And I'm also going to check these. Now, then I'm going to review the integration. So as you can see, the authentication was successful and the spreadsheet ID is also filled out. And then I'm going to click Connect System. Now, the integration is going to be made right now. And as you can see, the integration is now connected. And every time a new row is added to the spreadsheet, it will get pulled into GoHighLevel. So it's a very easy way to make an integration between GoHighLevel and Google Spreadsheets. So that's how you integrate Google Spreadsheets with GoHighLevel. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And the name of the GoHighLevel app is CRM Connector. You can find CRM Connector in the GoHighLevel Marketplace, and then you can make the integration yourself. And yeah, I will see you next time.